You know what really caught my attention recently? Yes, Emaar. You heard it right. Emaar Properties has officially joined the master plan of Expo City Dubai. Now that is something you don't hear every day because Emaar doesn't usually join someone else's master plan. They create their own communities. They are behind some of the biggest and the most iconic communities of Dubai, such as Dubai Downtown, Dubai Hills, Arabian Manchestery, and Dubai Creek Harbour. All built from scratch and what? All 100% Emaar. This is different. So when a brand like Emaar steps into the Expo City, that's not just another project. That's the statement. Their new development called Terra Garden at Expo Living sit right inside the Expo City, connected to the metro station, close to the upcoming Expo Mall, and just minutes away from Al Maktoum International Airport, which is on its way to become one of the largest airports in the world. Now here's the exciting part. Expo City is not slowing down. It's actually becoming the center of global exhibition, conferences and international events. What does that mean? That means you will have constant traffic, constant activities, and for investors, a constant source of rental demand. Because every event, every exhibition bring new people, new opportunities and new tenants. And that what makes this area rental value so powerful over the next few years time. Now just think about it. A sustainable, smart, tech-driven community connected by metro station, surrounded by world-class infrastructure and backed by one of the Dubai's strongest developer. Now combine all of that with Emaar reputation, their design, quality, long-term vision, and what you get isn't just a project, is the next major real estate story in Dubai. Because whenever Emaar has made a move, it's never random, it's strategic. They know exactly where the city is heading and they move before the boom happens. So here's my take. If you are an investor or even just someone watching the Dubai real estate market, this is your moment to start looking closely at Dubai Expo City. Because Emaar on board, with exhibition driving footfall all year and with Al Maktoum Airport gearing up for massive expansion, this area is about to transform completely. Don't wait for Expo City to make the headlines again, because by then, you know, the prices will already tell the story. Expo City is the future and Emaar just confirmed it.